Today, we're stepping into a world where luxury has no limits. Imagine traveling the globe in a private jet. No lines, no crowds, just pure comfort and exclusivity. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of the most luxurious private jets, revealing their jaw-dropping costs, exceptional designs, and the extravagant features that make them the ultimate symbol of wealth and status. First on our list is an aircraft that redefines what it means to travel in luxury, the Airbus A380. At a staggering $500 million, this jet is not just a plane, it's a flying palace. With its immense size and unmatched elegance, the A380 is the largest commercial airliner in the world, and it has been transformed into the ultimate private jet. Owned by a Middle Eastern royal family, this custom-built A380 is the first of its kind to offer an entirely bespoke design, where luxury meets functionality at 40,000 feet. Inside, this is more than just a plane. It's a luxury residence in the sky, offering everything from a private master suite to a full dining room, a lounge, and even a spa. Inside, the Airbus A380 offers a truly opulent experience. The master suite features a king-sized bed, walk-in closets, and a private bathroom with gold-plated fixtures, making it feel like you're in the comfort of a five-star hotel, but 40,000 feet in the air. There's also a full dining room for lavish meals with guests, a cozy lounge area for relaxation, and a fully equipped office suite for working on the go. For those looking for ultimate relaxation, there's even a fully stocked spa, allowing the royal family to unwind in total privacy while flying across the globe. The Airbus A380 isn't just about extravagant interiors, it's about redefining air travel itself. With 2 full-length passenger decks and a cabin that spans an incredible 6,000 square feet, it offers an unmatched level of privacy and space. Whether it's a short flight or a transcontinental journey, this jet ensures that every moment in the sky feels like pure luxury. Next on our list is the iconic Boeing 747-8, a jet that combines luxury with timeless design. Valued at approximately $367 million, this custom-built aircraft is owned by the Sultan of Brunei and is a perfect example of aviation excellence. The 747-8, known as the Queen of the Skies, is more than just a plane. It's a floating palace. Inside, you'll find 2 lavish master suites, each with a king-sized bed, elegant lounges, and private office spaces. The jet's spacious design is complemented by its high-end finishes, including leather seating, silk-lined walls, and intricate wood paneling. On board, the 747-8 offers an unparalleled flying experience. There's a formal dining area perfect for hosting guests, while a comfortable lounge provides a space for relaxation or socializing. The private office suite is designed for high-profile business meetings in the sky, and the luxurious guest cabins ensure that every passenger enjoys the utmost comfort. Whether traveling for business or pleasure, every inch of this jet has been crafted to provide the ultimate in privacy and elegance. The Boeing 747-8 isn't just about luxury, it's about space and functionality. With its massive size, the aircraft offers both the capacity for lavish rooms and the comfort of smooth, serene travel. Every aspect, from the cinema room to the bar area, is designed to elevate the in-flight experience, making the 747-8 the ultimate private jet for those who demand the best in both comfort and style. Now let's take a closer look at the Bombardier Global 7500, a jet that blends cutting-edge performance with ultimate luxury. Priced at $73 million, the Global 7500 is the epitome of modern air travel, offering a range of 7,700 nautical miles. This jet redefines what it means to travel in style, with 4 distinct living areas, including a private master suite, a spacious lounge, and even a full-sized shower room. Inside, you'll find custom furnishings, high-end materials like Italian leather and exotic wood accents, all designed to create a serene and opulent environment in the sky. On board, the Bombardier Global 7500 offers everything you could possibly need. The master suite is a private retreat with a fully flat bed, while the lounge area provides ample space for relaxation or entertainment. There's also a fully equipped galley where chefs can prepare gourmet meals, and a sophisticated entertainment system with high-definition displays throughout the cabin. Every detail has been carefully crafted to ensure that passengers experience the highest level of comfort and convenience during their journey. Beyond its luxury, the Global 7500 stands out for its technological advancements. With advanced avionics, quiet engines, and the ability to fly non-stop for over 15 hours, it combines performance with comfort like no other jet. The spacious cabin allows for long-haul flights in complete comfort, making it the perfect choice for those who value both productivity and relaxation while traveling across the globe. Before we reveal the last two jets on our list, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the world's most luxurious marvels. Next up is the Gulfstream G650ER, one of the most coveted private jets in the world. Priced at around $70 million, this jet combines luxury, speed, and performance in a way that few others can match. Known for its extended range of 7,500 nautical miles, the G650ER offers ultra-long-haul capabilities without sacrificing comfort. Inside, the cabin is a masterpiece of design, featuring plush leather seating, spacious sleeping quarters, and a full-sized galley that allows for 5-star meals to be prepared at 40,000 feet. The Gulfstream G650ER is all about refined elegance. The cabin features a modern design with panoramic windows that let in natural light, creating an airy and open feel. Whether you're relaxing in the comfortable lounge area, enjoying gourmet meals prepared by onboard chefs, or watching a movie on the state-of-the-art entertainment system, every moment on board is designed to be enjoyable. The jet's custom interior ensures that no two G650ERs are alike, giving each owner a truly personalized experience. With its remarkable speed, the Gulfstream G650ER can reach Mach 0.925, making it one of the fastest private jets in the world. This means that in addition to its luxurious amenities, the G650ER offers a smooth, efficient flight experience. For those who need to travel across the globe in style and speed, this jet provides the perfect combination of performance, luxury, and reliability. Last but certainly not least, we have the Boeing business jet 787, often referred to as the BBJ 787. Priced at around $224 million, this jet is an absolute game-changer in the world of private air travel. The BBJ 787 is the epitome of luxury, combining cutting-edge technology with unrivaled comfort. It's known for its extended range, capable of flying over 9,000 nautical miles, making it perfect for non-stop intercontinental flights, whether it's from New York to Dubai or Los Angeles to Tokyo. On the inside, the BBJ 787 offers a level of customization that most other private jets can only dream of. The cabin is fully adaptable, allowing owners to design their space to their exact specifications. The interior is typically fitted with luxurious seating arrangements, private bedrooms, and even a shower room, something you might not expect in most jets. Some versions also include a spacious lounge area with full dining capabilities, perfect for entertaining guests or relaxing during long flights. The jet is equipped with some of the most advanced technology on the market. From satellite communications to a state-of-the-art entertainment system, everything is designed to ensure that the owner's every need is met. Whether it's watching movies on a large flat-screen TV or enjoying a meal prepared in a gourmet kitchen, the BBJ 787 ensures the highest level of comfort and luxury at every altitude. And let's not forget the cockpit. The BBJ 787 is equipped with the same advanced avionics found on commercial airliners, making it incredibly easy to fly and handle, despite its large size. Pilots enjoy the benefit of cutting-edge systems that allow for more efficient and smoother flights, ensuring that passengers have a relaxing and enjoyable journey, no matter how long the flight may be. So, what makes a private jet the embodiment of luxury? It's not just about the price, it's about the experience. What do you think? Leave a comment down below.